Here we are again. It's Mike, PEAK Handyman, and we are continuing with the mortar pointing. I have set up the scaffold already, so you didn't have to be bored with watching that. Yesterday we did the mortar joints, and we're going to be doing the arch.
Give away some cool little prizes, maybe just some better seats, and we just love to see it. Now I know the show's so
and I don't have that zoomed in, but I think that you can see the crack up there. Let's give you a look over here on this side. There's this joint. So that's where we're at today. I will be back when we get the arch finished up. Okay, I'll show you what I use for this arch. It is mortar fix with polyurethane, which offers a much more flexible and long-lasting sealant, so that it's the crack doesn't spread loose. It will expand with the movement of the joint. I'm going to come back and put some of the mortar in here to give it a color match. So that gives you a little look at the joint repair. We're done with the joint pointing, so here's the end result. And on the outside, and our keystone is securely in place. There we go. See you next time.